3.5.
That's so embarrassing for me.
Rational functions, graphs, applications, and models.
Are these long?
Maybe a little bit. So a rational function is a function of the form
What you looking at? Not you.
f of x equals p of x over q of x,
I am worried about my wild dreams last night.
where
Rufus died.
Thank you for the context.
Got murdered.
I had a weird dream last night too. Was it a full moon last night?
No. And I had two others. There was two other dreams.
I had a dream that Olivia and I roomed together, obviously, but our room was in the middle of the ocean.
That sounds fun.
It was not.
Where p of x and q of x are polynomial functions with q of x not equal to 0 is a rational function.
That would be really weird. That went hand in hand. Like if I started dating somebody and then
Yeah,
apparently my next dream I had a baby.
last night.
I was a teen mom.
Oh gosh.
What did you say?
I went on a date with someone, and then I got back. I started dating someone else. It was quite an interesting.
So I hate when my dreams line up because then I'm going to realize that maybe it's future when my turn is on.
All right, a reciprocal function is f of x equal to 1 over x. The domain of that is negative infinity to 0, union 0 to infinity. And the range is also negative infinity to 0, union 0 to infinity.
You want an orange? Nope.
They have
Unions.
horizontal and vertical asymptotes.
You don't think better at drawing the thing?
Yeah.
What are you doing here? Go right.
Well, I'm trying to sign into Liberty, but I can't remember my password, and my mom is being not helpful.
Asymptotes.
I had all my important passwords as like the same general idea.
So do I.
of
My
the
mom
thing.
set up this account when I did Liberty like online,
Oh.
so of course it's not anything that I
I can't remember anything from my Liberty account. Like my computer auto, like it would just put in everything.
I'm so mad at myself.
Why are you so mad?
And this is an odd function.
Odd. Just like me.
What?
That was a dad joke. You should.
I'm so sleepy.
You slept for 12 hours.
I know. Went to bed at 8:30. I literally went to bed at 8:30 and woke up at basically 8 this morning. That's why I was late. Yeah. Whoops.
My mom made me. Well, not made me late, but she made me almost late.
Is that 12 hours?
No, it's a little less than 12.
18. Well, I thought I was sick, but
Were you?
not sure. I think I slept it off. Well, I have a sore throat, so.
Determining asymptotes.
That's
I hate this.
To find the asymptotes of a rational function defined by a rational expression
You wrote A twice. Sorry.
Is that a cookie point?
no.
Yeah, it is. What?
No, it's not.
Is it only if it's in a math
It's a
problem?
math error that
What?
gets you cookie points.
You got
You're
so
slacking.
excited though. Ethan got so excited.
Dude, how is Pickout beating us?
Yeah. That seems unfair.
Algebra 2 is really beating
He
you.
said that's a rip.
I got it.
That's a loophole.
I've said that like 82 times that writing mistakes do not count.
Wow.
Use the following procedure.
Disgusting.
You tell him.
I'm sorry.
You know how Ariel really feels about this.
It fits.
Orange.
All right, 1. Vertical asymptotes.
Shucks.
I'm so behind on these notes.
Find a vertical asymptote. I'm abbreviating vertical asymptote as VA.
Virginia.
So find a vertical asymptote by setting the denominator equal to 0.
Ew.
And
was a lot of
solve for x.
This.
That was fast.
That was a lot of nonsense.
Be an ASMR artist.
I will kill you.
If a is a 0 of the denominator,
You're gonna throw that.
did you strike an orange at her?
Nope, it was a pencil. Even
Oh.
worse.
Then
Coach varsity, but your students are not handling things correctly.
She's making mouth sounds.
then
It's
the line
disgusting.
x equals a is a vertical asymptote. So asymptotes are always written as an equation of a line.
I have to know this.
If I ran out of pencils in this, they're the orange. Do you think anybody's gonna call you Coach Varsity for basketball?
She's not coaching basketball.
No, but like you're over there.
Baby.
They called me coach, and I'm obviously not a coach.
All right, horizontal asymptotes, I'm going to abbreviate as HA.
Ha.
We use Bobo, Botno, Bosco.
Oh, I remember the poem. Well, I don't remember it.
There's a clown I think you should know. His name is Bobo, Bosco, Botno.
What do we need to know that? We just won't get extra credit for it.
Extra kind of.
Well, I think it would be easier if you just memorized this, but, you know, instead of the whole poem.
There is
All right.
helpful.
Bobo is bigger on bottom. So these are talking about the terms of the power. Y equals 0 is your horizontal asymptote. Bigger on top. No, there's not. So there's no horizontal asymptote. Bosco, if they're both the same. Use the coefficient.
What are you doing here? Are you buying yourself an iPad?
Not like currently, but I'm going to, yes.
They were on sale the other day.
I know, and I'm really upset because I missed it.
How'd you miss Cyber
And
Minute?
Apple did the thing where they were giving you a gift card for buying one too.
Crap.
You should look at Target. I think they're still on sale at Target.
I want a map.
We know.
Those don't last though. Like they're only good for like a
Those letters for like 8 years.
No, I haven't. I got it in 8th grade.
So if you had something like ax squared over bx squared, both of these are the same power, so your horizontal asymptote would be y equals a over b.
Wait, are you not getting a new laptop for college?
You know what it would be like for your best friend to listen to the things that you tell her?
You
when
said
you're
you wanted
in
an iPad, but I don't remember. I think
I
you
said
Okay,
no.
I don't know. I wanna know. What are you gonna get for college?
she's just getting
I'm just getting a new iPad
And
because
she's
I'm gonna
gonna
get this
clear
clean. Yes, we have this information. I'm gonna get this cleared, like cleaned off.
Mm-hmm.
Then it'll work better. It works fine now. I don't need it. A new one.
And then I'm getting a Mac. That's what we decided.
Oh. See, if I did this, I wouldn't have to pay for shipping.
All right, an oblique or slant asymptote.
I love these ones.
You know what these are?
You don't know what these are. we did not.
We have done this.
We did not do oblique. In
We did
Greek
not do
calc.
these.
We did Bobo Botno Botno, but not.
But I
oblique.
like the word oblique, so I'm sure I'll love that.
I'm sure you will when you do polynomial long division.
Wait, is that a thing we're gonna do?
Have you done oblique asymptotes before, Ethan? Or slant? Okay.
See? The problem
Ethan
is
Just because
from
he's
math
done them
class.
doesn't mean you have. In fact, it's quite the opposite.
he was smart. He is smart.
I didn't do anything.
If the numerator is of degree exactly 1 more than the words 1 more than the denominator.
It's your old initials.
Aww.
Now it's the first 2/3 of my initials.
Hold on, did you just drop Nicole? I'm not dropping my middle name, so I don't know where it's
What are
going.
you gonna
I
do?
don't
Hope
know.
Brian Parrish something?
Maybe. I want to keep my.
Well, I mean, I would still use it,
I would
but
drop
legally
one.
it's dropped.
Maybe I'll just drop Hope and move everything up.
So,
So,
your name's
you Ryan?
Parrish, whatever. That's so dumb.
I already know what my last name's gonna be, and it'll make it better. It'll
No,
make it
that
better
was
sounding, so it's not.
Well, you can if you do that, you can add the second
No,
as
it
your
won't.
dad, so you can be. Ryan
No,
Parrish
it
the
won't.
second.
No, it won't. Can we pause? Thank you.
I just mean it's a little bit. Just a little bit, not a lot.
Okay, if the numerator is of degree exactly 1 more than the denominator, then there will be a slant asymptote.
Poor Ethan. I feel bad
He's
for him.
used to it.
A pic of the deer dog. Sure.
To find it,
Joel.
Can you just send to the group chat?
divide the
No, you really
numerator.
learn how to do things on your own before you get to college.
She's using her resources.
Yeah.
Sounds like team player.
Sounds like Kenny. Divide the denominator and disregard the remainder.
I don't want to go to the gym today. I have to do something. So I'm gonna see if this
Do
I have to do another application for something. So
I got an email.
stressed.
Set the rest
From Party City.
of the quotient
I don't want to request information. I've already applied. Ugh.
equal to y to obtain
Shoot.
the equation
Shoot.
of the asymptote.
You're joking with me right now.
Shoot.
You're
So this will
absolutely-
be like a normal
That's all I
equation
had
of a
to do.
line.
You're in our
Oh,
math
I got
class.
an Instagram notification.
Yeah, because you guys are clearly so focused.
I'm waiting for that girl to DM me first.
What
I'm
girl?
gonna make you start putting your phone in the pocket.
Yeah.
Oh. Shush!
Who are you waiting to DM you?
A girl that I want to meet. We want to be roommate. Well, I want to be her roommate. Maybe she wants to be mine too. We're not sure. Hopefully she has patience. And your girl.
I'm gonna get a random roommate. I don't want to pick
Oh, this is a random girl, but like, I just don't want this college assignment.
If I'm really lucky, I might get